How to fix USB or wireless mouse not working on Windows. Hey everybody, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can fix this problem. So before we begin, if you are new here, be sure to subscribe to our channel, turn on the bell icon for more updates like this. Now let's get into it. So if you are facing issues with USB or wireless mouse, the first thing you have to do is check if there is a battery left in your mouse. So if it is a wired mouse, you could just plug it out and then plug it back in. So let me just do that. And then just go ahead and plug it back. It doesn't matter if it's a wireless mouse as well. If you have a USB chip, you could just plug it in. And after doing that, in most of the cases, your mouse should start working. But if you're still facing issues, check for your battery usage. So if you plan to change battery soon, it's a good time to do it now because your battery might be low. That's why your mouse is causing the issue. Other thing that you can do here is check your device manager. Go to the start menu and then search for device manager. Hit enter. And then from here, all you have to do is find your mouse, and other pointing device. This one is my laptop's touchpad, and this one right here is my other mouse. Let me just right click on it and click on update driver. Search automatically for drivers, and if it says the best drivers already installed, then you'll be good to go. Now you can go to action and then scan for hardware changes. And after doing so, your mouse it should start working properly. But if you are still facing some issues, then in that case, you can go ahead and check the Universal Series bus drivers. So you can go to this USB controllers, right click on it, go to update driver, search automatically. But if the updating does not work, you can try to disable the device and then re-enable it again. Click on yes and then re-enable it. If it doesn't work, then you can try the last resort is to uninstall the device. And then when you restart your PC, it's going to reinstall back again automatically. These are some of the things that you can do to fix the problem. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Hit the like button below, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.